welcome back to BT Willis Garage. Today we are going to be sharpening some decently dull lawnmower blades to a perfect edge. What we're going to be using is this horizontal grinder, and the name of this product is a Reliant 6-inch universal surface grinder. And we've already got started here. You probably saw my last video using the bench grinder, and this one seems to be working a little better to actually cover the complete surface of the edge there. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Make sure you wear your safety glasses and all safety equipment when you're doing this. Sparks will fly. So as you can see, we really honed in that edge. Now it's important to note, you don't really want to sharpen the backside too much, or it will make your blade brittle over time if you get a razor thin edge. See how that's covering the entire surface there. Now something to note is, once this part of the blade begins to round, that's when it's time to replace them all together. What I like to do is have two sets in rotation, one on the mower and one completely sharp, ready to go. In case you hit a rock and damage a blade, you can get right back in action. So anyway, let's show them how to balance this. Let's check the balance on it. So what you need is really just a nail or any object that your blade will fit around, and you're just going to let it go, and actually it turned out perfect. So just note, if one side was like that, then you know you need to take some weight off of the heavier side. Same goes for that. If it was weighing down on the right, we would take some more off of the side of the right to get it perfectly balanced. And as you can see, that's close enough for us. All right, thanks for visiting.